Hey guys, what's up? Spen here. So HYLN may have a very positive catalyst coming very soon. So I want to get this video ASAP to you guys so you have time to react to this. And I'm also going to talk about a large Amazon order that is very bullish for HYLN. Now, this wasn't an order of HYLN trucks, but I'll get into how this affects HYLN and how it's actually very bullish for them. And I'm also gonna show you guys the chart. I found some key areas of support, a gap that may be getting filled soon. So I wanna show you guys what's going on there. Now, before we do get into this video, if you guys could drop it a big thumbs up if you like it, really helps out the channel, and feel free to subscribe if you wanna stay up to date on HYLN. So, first catalyst that's coming very soon, you can see here from Twitter. Thomas Healy, CEO of HYLN, a provider of electrified powertrain solutions for the commercial transportation industry, joins our dynamic panel at the Tesla Effect March 25th. So, March 25th is the short-term catalyst. Thomas Healy is going to speak. It's very possible he is going to talk about recent things that's going on within the company. I'm hoping he's going to give us an update on how the ERX is developing. There are several different trucks being tested in fleets right now. I'd love to hear how companies are liking HYLN's product, whether it's going good or bad, and what Thomas Healy expects moving into the future. So I think that is very possible Thomas Healy could be giving us a good update on what's going on with that. This could definitely move the stock if it's positive. So definitely keep this on your guys' calendar. And then going off of that, I've mentioned this in my last video, but if you haven't watched it yet, so the initial Hypertruck ERX build will utilize a Peterbilt chassis vehicle. Specifications have been identified and initial truck orders have been placed. HYLN is currently building the next set of development trucks, which will be utilized for testing and validation throughout 2021 and deployment as customer demonstration units later this year. So that's some other catalysts that will be coming, and I'm hoping Healy will give us some more updates around this. Now, something that I think is actually very bullish for HYLN, indirectly though, is that Amazon orders hundreds of trucks that run on natural gas. Now, many of us know the ERX is an electrified vehicle, however, it has a natural gas generator. I think natural gas is going to become very popular. There's a few things that I really like about this. So Amazon is excited about introducing new sustainable solutions for freight transportation and is working on testing a number of new vehicle types, including electric, CNG, and others, the company said in a statement. Amazon has ordered more than 700 compressed natural gas Class 6 and Class 8 trucks so far, according to the company. The engine supplied by a joint venture between Cummins Inc. and Vancouver-based Westport Fuel Systems. So they haven't ordered HYLN trucks. But the reason why I'm actually super excited about this, it's showing that natural gas is a viable option and that large companies such as Amazon is open to this concept. They're not necessarily looking for just an electric truck. They're clearly open to having natural gas assist that as well. And another thing to note here, guys, yes, this is positive for HYLN. I think that this shows some credibility to their technology, and there will be openness within commercial truck industry for adopting HYLN. That is great and everything. However, you got to think outside the box here. If natural gas becomes widely used around the world for the trucking industry, clearly this is going to affect natural gas's price. There's going to be a lot more demand than ever before for natural gas. So if you're interested in me researching a natural gas company that could be a very good macro play over the next 10 years, make sure to comment down below. I think that natural gas actually could be a hidden gem over this next decade. So I definitely don't mind looking for a solid natural gas company that I think is poised to take advantage of this potential boom. Anyways, guys, let me know down in the comments if you're interested in that. So HYLN's chart is looking a little bearish. TradingView has it as a strong sell on the technical side. But if we actually look at the chart, I'll show you what I'm seeing. So first thing is first is its moving averages. So it's below its 50-day and 200-day moving average. Now, the reason why this is bearish is because it's essentially fighting gravity. This moving average is going to push the stock down until something changes. So that can be a positive catalyst. It could be a change in the macro environment. Something needs to turn around. Right now, though, I would say we are in a downtrend, and it's hard to deny that. Doesn't mean we're not going to have up days, but overall, in a bit of a downtrend. But we are coming to some key support, and that could actually also turn this around. I have identified a gap that occurred way back in July. So the stock did gap up from about $10 to $12. Oftentimes, gaps can be filled. So keep that in mind. This gap can be filled, and if it's filled, it's going down to $10. However, at $12, that could be our support level. So if we hold at $12, I think we're good. However, if we break below 12, we're likely gonna fill that gap. And I've drawn this trend line. There is solid support right where we're hitting right now. So we're actually at a key inflection point on the chart for HYLN. Keep this in mind. If we do break below the trend line, I think we're gonna be filling this gap. Hopefully it acts as support, but like I said, gravity is pushing the stock down right now. And just the macro environment with rising interest rates, there's a lot going against it in the short term. But like I said earlier, March 25th, that could be a positive catalyst for the stock, and I would like to get in before that is announced. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more HYLN content. Really appreciate you guys watching until the end. I'll see you guys on the next video.